We just got a package. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm going to log my journey as a stay-at-home dad over the course of the next 5 weeks while I wait for my rookie school to start. So I got a couple microphones. I think it'd be cool to, oh man, this is tiny, dude. So anyways, decided I'm gonna document the next 5 weeks, make a little YouTube series. That's funny looking. And show how to survive being a stay-at-home dad. All right, nap attempt 1. Here we go. A little past 8 a.m. Smile. Come on, there we go. All right, hopefully the instructions are good. English, can you speak into English, please? This is the quick start guide. You see that? That's crazy. 2. What in the world? All right, hold the power button on for 2 seconds. Plug the receiver into the phone, all right? And wear it on your shirt. Easy enough. Testing. Not sure if this works or not. I can test this, hold on. So, this is my test. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. All right, heating up bottle number 1 is 9:55. He's been sleeping for almost 2 hours, so. Oh, freak, I'm spilling. All right, so the first thing that I've learned in my 20 minutes of being a vlogger is that you want to hold the camera the same way the entire video. Or else you've got some wide shots or you've got some skinny shots. And that's why half of my footage is me zoomed in and you just looking at my hands. Never said I was the brightest crayon in the box, but we're keeping a baby alive, so. Hey, buddy. Hey. You ready?
Where's my local Hobby Lobby?
Whoa. He's kind of hard to balance. Whoa. Whoa. This looks like the same outfit you wore yesterday. Big stretches. Nice. Man, it's like my wife has everything ready for me. She thinks I'm incapable, but dude, I am killing it. We're killing it. Just gonna go for a light jog and we'll eat some lunch. Is that my cat? I just finished about 2-mile run or so. Hoodie, weight vest, pants. It was a good run. And baby. While I was on my run, I think I came up with a decent name for this little video series that I'm doing. SAHD Days. It's spelled SAHD, which stands for Stay at Home Dad Days. I'm not actually sad. Pretty happy. But I am sad that my wife's not here to help me, of course. It's like a feta chicken, zucchini, broccoli, cherry tomato bake. I think I might do some laundry later. Probably make Addie happy. I've been pretty productive today. I made myself some coffee. Figured out how to make the microphones work. Went for a run. The baby's still alive. He's currently on his second nap. We've had a successful first nap and a successful feeding. Didn't really fall asleep on the run. I wasn't really expecting him to. He seemed pretty, like he enjoyed it a lot. If you're watching this, please comment below some activities that I should do with a 3-month-old. Because I have 5 really long weeks of nothing going on. Except for keeping a baby alive, keeping myself alive. Yeah. You ready to go? Dude. Look at all this. That is insane. I'm trying to see where all this bird poop's coming from. I don't see a nest up there. Road trip. I have no idea where my wallet's at. That's a problem. Alright, I found my wallet. I remembered that it was in my gym bag. And then I had to remember where my gym bag was. So there's like 2 adventures in one. Okay, Everett woke up around 1, ate right away. But then he ate for like an hour, man. And it was only like 6 ounces. Dude. Is that like that every time? I used to have this spider that lived right in here. Actually, I think he still might be there because there's a little web there. Empty it. I bet tomorrow there'll be another web. Alright, I just pulled up to Wawa. I don't think it's wrong to like just go pop in and leave Everett in here, right? There goes my crackhead neighbor. I'm convinced he sells drugs. Convinced. The whole neighborhood is. We're just waiting on his downfall. If you need any crack, just hit him up. Alright, let's get you into bed, huh? Sleep tight, little buddy.